If the Mistplay Rewards Center won't load, the problem is usually related to your internet connection, app version, cache data, or a temporary service issue rather than your reward balance. By the end, you'll know the most common causes of this problem and the steps that usually get the Rewards Center working again. Start with the simplest check. Close Mistplay completely, reopen it, and try accessing the Rewards Center again. Temporary loading errors often disappear after a fresh app launch. Next, test your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. If one connection isn't working properly, the Rewards Center may fail to load even though the rest of the app opens normally. Now, check for app updates. Open your device's official app store and make sure you're running the latest version of Mistplay. Updates frequently include bug fixes that resolve loading issues and improve overall stability. If you're already updated, clear the app's cache through your Android settings. Cached files can become outdated over time and interfere with certain sections of the app. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without deleting your account. Another thing to verify is that you're signed into the correct Mistplay account. If your login session has expired or an authentication issue occurs, some features may stop loading until you sign in again. If the Rewards Center still won't appear, restart your phone before trying again. A reboot refreshes background services that the app depends on and can resolve temporary software conflicts. Sometimes the issue isn't on your device at all. If Mistplay is performing maintenance or experiencing a temporary server problem, the Rewards Center may be unavailable for everyone. In that situation, repeatedly reinstalling the app usually won't solve anything. Waiting and checking again later is often the better approach. If the problem continues after you've completed these steps, contact Mistplay support through the help section. Include screenshots of the loading screen, your device model, Android version, app version, and a brief description of when the issue started. Complete information helps support investigate more efficiently. Avoid creating another Mistplay account just because the Rewards Center won't load. It won't restore access and may complicate future support requests. The biggest takeaway is that Rewards Center loading problems are most often caused by connection issues, outdated app versions, cache data, or temporary server interruptions. Working through those possibilities one at a time is the fastest way to identify the cause. Your next step is to update Mistplay, clear the app cache, restart your device, and contact support if the Rewards Center still refuses to load. If this guide helped you fix the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides, payout tips, and reward app tutorials.